This is how you can use Duplicator Pro to transfer one WordPress website onto another website. We use this tool in our agency to basically have our themes with this, for example, is a lawyer theme, where we can take that theme, onboard it to the right domain, where we can have the server, basically, we just change the A record and then the website is live. So follow along if you want to see how we can transfer all the server data in the entire WordPress site onto a new server. So I have the theme here that we have developed, and we want to first of all open FileZilla. So FileZilla we have here, and basically here we want to open a new FileZilla host. We can add it in here and just open it up here if we want to save them. But to make sure that we have the right information, we need to go inside of our server. For example, we're using Curanet, but you can use Hosting or you can use Elementor. There's so many different choices, Hatcher also. But you can just insert the FTP information here. So I'll just jump until we have the FTP information. So now we have transferred all the FTP information inside of FileZilla, and we can just go ahead and open the theme, or basically the WordPress file. We can go in the VVV folder, and then we have to remove this file. This is, sometimes it's there, sometimes it's empty. But to do this, we want to upload whatever is inside of the duplicator. So first we want to log into a backend to take the duplicator. So now I'm logged into the backend and I want to take a duplicator. So I want to download Duplicator Pro. So you can go in themes, and we have a bunch of updates right now, but you can go into plugins, and then we can go and search on Duplicator Pro. And by searching on it, we will get this plugin here. And I will just right away create a new one. And I'll just call this one New Dup. I'll just call this the new theme maybe. And I'll click next. And then I'll open a folder on my computer inside of a tab where I'll just have all my themes stored. So basically I'll just go inside on the external monitor and add them in here. And when this is ready, everything is good, I'll click build. Then it will proceed and build. It can take sometimes, if you have a bigger web shop, it might take longer times, but in general, this process probably takes around 5 to 10 minutes. And now it's finished, so we'll just install or download installer and archive. But you can also click on this one to download both, but I'll just download this one first, and I'll of course move all these files into a folder I have on my computer here. And when all of these files are downloaded, I'll go inside of my FileZilla again, and I'll drag and drop. First we have the installer here, and the other one is soon finished. Let's just wait. And now the other one is finished, so I'll just drag and drop it in here. So we have that. Next step is we need to get the database information to make sure that the database can be overwritten. We can find the database information at the host. So now we have added everything in FileZilla, both files. Now we need to go into the new domain, the new server, where we can type in the domain name. That could be .dk.com, but after whatever country code you have, and on the domain you have to type /installer.php. So I have done that now on this site, installer/php. And then we will get this site up. It'll just load really quick. Now we need to add the host name. We need to add the database, username, and password. You can find all of those things inside of the host. When you have added everything, you have to click on verify, and then it will run through this process to make sure that everything is right. Then we'll click yes, read, and accept. And you can basically show everything here is passed as well. If you have issues with it, it says you have issues with it. So if you don't know what the database is, it could be the MySQL, and add in the username, the password, the host, and all of these things, the database names as well. You'll click on next, yes, and it will just extract everything to the new site. So now it's finished, and we can just click on admin login, and then we'll receive the admin page. This is our style page, but you can of course log in with the domain you have already, or with the password and username you have already set up on your old theme. And that is how you set up the entire installer with Duplicator Pro. You don't need the Pro version, but just Duplicator. And if I go to the front page here, this is on the new site. You see everything is set up the correct way, just like we want it. If you guys would like to know more about web development or marketing, you can follow the channel, or you can also join the free community I have called performancehub.io. So this is a free Discord community where you can join other like-minded people that either owns a web agency, a marketing agency, or just own some kind of online brand where we basically teach people for free when I'm in there sometimes how they can get into the next level. So if you would like to know and talk with other people just like you, then you can join that channel. See you guys.